In today's Your Healthy Family, there's a new piece of technology being used by audiologists that's making it easier, more convenient, and less invasive to have custom ear molds made.
As everything is changing, the 21st century is just bringing in lots of new tech. This is the Lantos ear scanner, and the Lantos ear scanner uses this membrane, and that membrane fills with a liquid, and the scanner goes in and it maps thousands and thousands of points, and we end up with this image that's on the screen now. We take that scan and we model an ear mold, and when we model the ear mold, we send it to the manufacturer. They make the mold for us.
Custom ear molds have been around for decades, but the process of making them was more involved.
For our industry, 40, 50 plus years, we've been doing ear impressions the same way. But this is what we used to do. Now, there are cases where we'll still take a traditional ear mold, but this is what I was talking about, either a cotton or foam piece that is put into the ear canal. And then we fill the ear up with a silicone material, and then we pull that out, and then we send that to the manufacturer, and we send that with, the traditional, mail.
Now the digital scans that take just a few minutes to make are sent instantly to a manufacturer and eventually may not even need to be sent out.
If and when we get a 3D printer, we'll be able to do all of the casting here in our office, and it'll be, instead of a week or two to get that product back, it'll be a same-day service. So quicker for the person to obtain the care that they need.
Always watching out for your health, I'm Ira Cronin.